मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, क्लास 2 EVS KB पिथौरागढ़। तो बच्चों, क्या आपको कक्षा प्रथम की यह कविता याद है, छुक छुक गाड़ी? चलो इस मज़ेदार कविता को एक बार पढ़ते हैं। छूटी मेरी रेल रे बाबू, छूटी मेरी रेल, हट जाओ भैया, मैं ना जानूं फिर कुछ भैया, टकरा जाए रेल, धक 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 धक, धू 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 धू, भक 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 भक, भू 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 भू, छक 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 छक, छू 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 छू, करती आई रेल। इंजन इसका भारी भरकम, बढ़ता जाता गम 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 गम, धम 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 धम, धम 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 धम, करता ठेलम ठेल, सुनो गार्ड ने दे दी सीटी, टिकट देखता फिरता टीटी, सटी हुई वीटी से वीटी, करती पेलम पेल, छूटी मेरी रेल। तो बच्चों, इस कविता में आपने क्या देखा कि एक रेलगाड़ी है और उसका जो साउंड है उसके बारे में बताया गया है ना, कि ट्रेन जो है छूटने को हो रही है। तो बच्चों, क्या आपको ट्रेन की तरह कुछ ऐसे और व्हीकल्स पता है जिससे कि आप ट्रैवल करते हैं जब आप किसी भी जगह पे जाते हैं, रिश्तेदारों के घर जाते हैं या कहीं घूमने जाते हैं? So you see so many types of vehicles like car, plane, boat, motorbike. Okay. So do you know? What do we call them? So we call them transport. So students, tell me, are all transport same or is there any difference among them? Yes, all transport are not same. There are different types of transports. Okay. So there are some pictures. Okay, and you have to find out what are they. First of all, we see a motorcycle. Okay, motorcycle. So where do we see a motorcycle? Yes, on roads. We see a motorcycle on roads, and in cities or in villages. Now what is it? A truck, a heavy vehicle, and it loads lots of things. After that, a jeep. When we travel, we take a jeep. After that, a bullock cart. And where do we see a bullock cart? Yes, in villages. After that, bus. It's a vehicle. It carries so many passengers. Okay, and we use it for short distance and for long distance too. Okay. After that, what we see here? A train, rail gadi. Okay. When we travel from Haldwani to Delhi, so we would like to take a train. It carries so many passengers. A train has so many wheels also. And train has so many compartments. After that, what we see here? Oh, it's a boat. So where do we see a boat? Yes, in water. When we travel through water, so we would like to take a boat. I think boat we will take for a short distance. Okay, and a ship, if there is a ship, we will take this one for a very long distance, and it's a ship carries so many people also. After that, a tractor. So where do we see a tractor? Yes, in villages and in fields also. After that, a helicopter. So helicopter, where do we see a helicopter? Yes, in air. And we see a helicopter here also. So it carries so many luggages, loads, and it carries 2 or 3 maybe people also according to the capacity. After that, what is it? It's a cycle, and a cycle, it's a two-wheeler, it's a van. Okay, so a van, when we travel to somewhere or to school, a van carries children. Okay, after that, metro train. Okay, metro. So metro, where do you see a metro? So a metro we can see in cities like Delhi, Mumbai. So it carries so many people. There's so many wheels. It's like a train, but what is different? It runs through electricity. Okay, so when we go in metro cities, we take fun by traveling from a metro train. So students, what is transport? Transport are the means by which people and goods move from one place to another. Okay? तो यातायात के साधन ऐसे साधन होते हैं जिनके माध्यम से लोग या वस्तुएं एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक पहुंचती हैं. इसके बाद what are the different means of transport? So different means of transport are land transport, water transport, air transport. Okay, so what is land transport? So land transport are which runs on roads, on land. Okay, here we see like car, bus, auto rickshaw. Okay, after that, water transport. So water transport, water, when we travel through water, we take water transport. Okay, like ship, boats. After that, air transport. Okay, so when we travel through air, we take air transport. So these are some pictures of air transport. Okay, helicopter, plane, rockets. Okay students, so students, here is a worksheet for you. So you have to do this at home. So in this worksheet, what you have to do, there are so many pictures of transport, different types of transport. Okay, land, air and water. So you have to figure out which transport is it, and you have to just write its name. You have to categorize. Okay, so all we know what is land transport, air transport and water transport. So what is this? The picture of a car. Okay, so we can see this symbol. So a car is a land transport. Okay, what is it? It's a plane. Okay, and what is this picture? It's clouds. So an aeroplane flies in the sky. Okay, so this is an air transport. After that, it's a boat. So this symbol belongs to water. So what is it? Boat is a water transport. Okay, after see, we see a motorbike. Motorbike is a land transport. So students, here is an activity. So look at this. What are they? Means of transport. Okay, यातायात के साधन. तो बच्चों, अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक बार देखो इस वर्कशीट को. What is it? Land transport, and this means land on road. Okay, and this water transport, this means water. And what is it? air transport. And what is that? This is in air. Okay, so this means this worksheet is about means of transport. Okay, and types of transport through which mode of transport travels. Okay, so here we see this is an activity. You can also do this at home. Okay, so I have some cutouts of so many transport modes. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just pick a picture, okay, and tell that this one belongs to which type of transport. Okay, so if we see this, what is it? It's a car. So a car is a land transport. Okay, your answer is correct. So we will just paste it here. Okay, after that what we see? A ship, samudri jahaz. So ship is a, what is it? See, this one, not this one, this one, or what should be? Yes, this one. Okay, water transport. After that what we see? Oh, this is a rocket. Okay, so a rocket is a air transport. So we will categorize here. After that what we see? A scooter. So scooter runs on land. Okay, we can also see. After that what we see? A motorboat. So a motorboat runs in water. Okay, here. After that what is it? A auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw, and it runs on land. This was our worksheet. Okay.